Good morning! Hello, everybody! It is a wonderful second Tuesday of the month, and that means the Knox REIA is meeting today. Yay! And, even better, we're going to be in person! Like, real people will be around. You see them? Social distancing. But we're all here! Yay! And that's how it's going to be tonight at the Buddies Banquet Hall in Bearden. All right, so it's the Buddies Convention place. It's the one across from like Bearden Elementary-ish. It's close to Nixon's. What else is near there? There's a Carm store near there. But it's the one in Bearden, all right? So take Paper Mill. It is not the one at Bearden High School. It's at Bearden Elementary School, all right? So it's the Buddies Banquet Hall. Don't go to the wrong Buddies on Kingston Pike because we won't be there. We're going to the Bearden Banquet Hall. Buddies Bearden Banquet Hall. There's a lot of B's in there, all right? But the Knox REIA is getting back together. Yay! We're getting the band back together, or we're getting the investors back together, or whatever that is. But I'm super excited to see you. We will open the doors at 5. Hopefully we will have all of our technology ready by then so that we can get you checked in, we can get you logged in. We've got a new software, we got a new system that we're working with. Should make things a lot easier next month. But we are going to be meeting tonight. Doors open at 5. Buddies Banquet Hall in Bearden. Across from Bearden Elementary, not Bearden High School. And I can't wait to see you there. If it is your first ever time coming to a Knox REIA meeting, it's $10. If you've been to a Knox REIA meeting before, it's $29 to join us. And if you want to, you can join as an annual member. And that way you get all of the National REIA bonuses and benefits and wonderful things that National REIA gives us. You can also get access to all of the local Knox REIA sponsors and the things that they give us. It's going to be awesome, and it's $297 for the year to join as an annual member, and that way you get your Home Depot rewards, you get your Office Depot rewards, you get all sorts of great and amazing things when you become a member of Knox REIA. So join Knox REIA. In fact, go to joinknoxrea.com if you want to get your ticket for tonight or get your annual membership, whatever you want to do. We're back, all right? I hope and pray we don't have to go virtual again, but right now, we're back in action, and we're going to Buddies tonight. Yes, there will be food. There's going to be snacks. I don't know, maybe we'll have, let's see, we're going to Buddies Barbecue Banquet Hall in Bearden. So we'll probably have, like pizza, maybe some chicken tendies, maybe a nice vegetable tray, a fruit tray. Come on, y'all. We're going to have some barbecue. We're going to hang out. I'm actually not in charge of the menu. Somebody over there has decided what we're eating. But I'll be there, okay? So bring your business cards, bring your smile, come on out, join us for the Knox REIA. We're getting back. It's the second Tuesday of every month. We're getting back in person, and we're going to Buddies. Hey, we need to blow up some balloons. There are so many bees with this thing right now. But we'll be there. It may not be fully decorated. We may not be fully ready, but we will be there, and we're just so glad to see everybody again. Our theme, our topic for the night is we're going to meet and mingle. It's May, so let's get back out. Let's meet and mingle. Let's try to shake off the networking cobwebs and remember what it's like to see people. We will try to elbow tap instead of shaking hands and hugging, even though I know I want to shake hands and hug too. We're going to try the elbow tap. I've got some masks. If you forget yours, that's fine. If you don't want to wear yours, that's fine. If you want to just tie your hair up in it, that's fine too. I do not care. I want you to be there. All right, come on out. I am so excited to see real estate investors and see real people. The extrovert that I am missed you. I missed you, and I'm so ready to nerd out and hear all about the deals that you've done. I want to know all of the ways that you have pivoted your portfolio or your passive income or your strategy or whatever it is, because we all made some pivots this year, and I want to hear about it. The introverts will groan when I tell you that we might do some icebreakers. All right, but mostly we're going to talk about real estate investing. We're going to meet each other. We're going to re-meet each other. It doesn't matter if you've never been. This would be the best meeting to come to, especially if you've never been to a Knox REIA meeting, because frankly, everybody feels like the new kid this time. It's been so long since we met. So I'm excited to see y'all. Doors will open at 5. I'll have my makeup and my real outfit on by then, and I'll be excited to see you. So wear whatever it is that you wear to work. Don't worry about dressing up. Just wear clothes and a smile, and you'll be fine. We will see you there. Miranda and Shelly will be helping me get everybody checked in and herding the cats. Getting everybody organized for the networking and seeing who's there and what we can help you with. People have been calling and asking questions. That's awesome. Go ahead, call us, ask questions. You can text us, 865-309-4500. That's the main phone at Knox REIA and Whitney Buys Houses. So call us if you have any questions. You can also email hello@knoxrea.com, and Miranda or Alicia or Shauna or somebody will answer your questions. You can pay at the door, or you can go ahead and pay now. All right, go to joinknoxrea.com and either choose the $10 option, the $29 option, or y'all go ahead, join us. We're back. It's time. Sign up for an annual membership. It's $297 for the year, and then Shelly will get you hooked up with all the other details that you need once you become an annual member. All right, $297. It's a total deal. You can get that back with just the Home Depot savings that you're going to get twice a year, and you can make money when you shop at Office Depot, or save money when you shop at Office Depot. Not really make it. All right. Get that annual pass. Go to joinknoxrea.com and go ahead and get your ticket. It'll make the line tonight a lot smoother, getting everybody checked in. If you will, just go ahead and get your seat reserved. joinknoxrea.com. I can't wait to see you. We're going to Buddy's Banquet Hall in Bearden. All right, we're going to have food, we're going to have fun, we're going to have some fellowship, we're going to talk, we're going to laugh, we're going to be so excited to see each other, and hopefully this is going to be the boost you need to get back out there and get some more deals done in 2021. Y'all, it's May, it's time to go. We got the spring market right now, and I bought 3 houses in 3 weeks, so I know you can do this too. Don't believe the stuff that it's hot and there's no deals out there. I did 3 deals in 3 weeks, and my mom did 3 deals in 3 weeks, all right? Get out there. Come join us at Knox REIA so you can find out what I'm doing and what everybody else is doing to get their deals done in this crazy world. All right? I'll see y'all tonight at Buddy's Banquet Hall in Bearden. All right? It's the building next to Buddy's, close to Nixon's, across from Bearden Elementary. 5608 Kingston Pike, I think, is the right address. But we'll see you there. Doors open at 5. And I'm super excited. Go to joinknoxrea.com. Go ahead and get your ticket now. Bye, y'all. See you tonight.